So, on the first lesson of the physics bootcamp, we talked about the difference between scalars and vectors, which include distance, displacement, velocity, and speed. So, in this video, we're going to try to solve some problems on distance and displacement. Let's just imagine a graph right there and draw a dot. The dot is going to 3 meters to right, 3 meters to right, and another, let's say, 3 meters to right, but the dot is going to come back for, let's say, 8 meters, and another 2 meters to left. So the difference between distance and displacement, as we've said before, would be that distance would be always positive, and it means that distance would always calculate the road that the object or a person has passed, but displacement would be different. So let's just start by writing a formula. Distance is equal to x plus x1 plus, let's say, x1 plus x2 plus x3 and so on. But displacement would be very different. Sorry for my handwriting, I know it sucks, but yeah. So displacement would be x final minus x initials. So what I'm trying to say is that in displacement we should calculate only the distance that has passed from the start. Okay, let me give you an example. Start by writing a distance 3 plus 3 meters to right, 3 meters to right, and plus 8 meters, because we've passed the distance, but we shouldn't care about the directions and distance, and 2 meters to right. So that would be pretty much 16 meters, but displacement would be different. So in order to try to find the distance, we should know the difference right there. So initially we had no movement, right? So that would be 0 minus 0. But at the end of the day, it was just negative moves, because we shouldn't calculate those, because we're in the negative way. Or we can even try to calculate them as well. 3 plus 3 minus 8 minus 2. So that would be, okay, we can know right there, it would be minus 4, and the minus 4 minus 0, that would be minus 4. So yeah, in short, distance and displacement are not that different things, but distance would be always positive and it calculates all the way that has been through, but displacement calculates only the position, initial and final position of the object. On the next video, we're going to try to solve in 2 dimensions, or even try to solve some problems on the difference between velocity and speed.